Hello everyone, welcome to the Unacademy. Great guys. Okay. Welcome to the Unacademy. Let's crack GATE ESE with India's largest online learning. Get the subscription now and start your preparation with unlimited recorded and the live video lectures. So, myself Ajay I am MTech in Computer Science. I have a 8 plus year of teaching experience and till now I have trained almost 20,000 plus engineering students for the GATE. Work as a freelancer in many reputed institutes of India and at the GATE exam 5 times along with the GATE right, the Chhattisgarh State Electricity Board exam, the EIR. Download the Unacademy Learning app and start your preparation anywhere, anytime. So, what you will get once you will take the subscription, my dear friends, the first thing you are going to have a never forget this. जो सबसे ग्रेट वीपन होता है किसी भी लाइक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन का, चाहे ये ऑफलाइन हो या ऑनलाइन हो, ये सबसे ग्रेट वीपन होते हैं इनके एडुकेटर. एंड यू आर गोइंग टू हैव अ गाइडलाइन एंड द प्रिपरेशन India's top educator. And apart from that, first thing you are going to have in platform the daily life classes. Okay. Second thing is the structure course. हर एक सब्जेक्ट्स आपके प्लान वे में कराए जाएंगे. और दूसरा जो स्ट्रक्चर कोर्सेज के अंदर सबसे बड़ा बेनिफिट है वो ये है कि एक ही सब्जेक्ट्स के मल्टी कैटेगरी मीन्स यू आर नॉट grasping the concept particular topic from one educator. You can switch the educator and you can start your learning. Okay. तो किसी भी रीजन से आपका कोई भी कॉन्सेप्ट नहीं है. और एडवांटेज लाइव टेस्ट एंड तो ये भी एक इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट होता है सेल्फ इवोल्यूशन के लिए कि ये भी जज करना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि आप कितने पानी और उसके अकॉर्डिंगली आपको अपना स्ट्रैटेजी बनाना पड़ता है एंड देन यू हैव टू ट्रीट ऑल ऑफ यू. एम आई ऑडिएबल टू सी? Am I audible to all of you? Okay, fine, fine. And the last thing is the unlimited access. Means access the lectures again and again until you get the entire one done with the top edit. These are the educators from the electrical, electronics, civil, and similarly from the mechanical and CS you are having right now. So under the GATE ESE, there are various branches. According to your branch, you can opt any one of the courses. Whatever your branch is, according to your branch. Let's come to the fees. So here the description of the already mentioned, there is a 5,000, 3 month 12,500 and 20,000. So my dear friends, if you are looking for the GATE 2000, GATE 2021, my advice is rather than going 3 month courses, must go at least 6 months. Okay? Because might be you are thinking there is a difference of 7,500 fees, but if you ignore the fees, because already it's normal. So at least you need like 3 months for the GATE, and after that there is an exam like GATE, ISRO, other PSU's exam, so that you would be able to get some time for the preparation. तो अगर किसी भी रीजन से आपका थोड़ा सा भी परफॉर्मेंस लैग करता है GATE exam and another exam. That's why I'm giving you advice, go for the at least 6 months. Because if you are thinking for a 1 year course, then there is a difference of only 5,000. Don't worry, you can go for the 12-month course. Okay? Again, if you are using my code, that is the code name I for get the flat minimum 10% discount. This will, and similarly if you are opting for the 6 month, yes, again you can use code that will be asked to you whenever you take the subscription. So in this fees again there is the minimum 8%, the maximum you have to pay the 8. I'm advising this for only GATE 2020. Now let's come to the GATE 2022 SPAC. So those students who are in second year or third year, course obviously they are preparing for the GATE 2022. So in that situation, I must advise that must go for the 24-month subscription, because once you will compare for the 12-month subscription, there is a difference of only how much? 5,000. There is a difference of 5,000, and if you will take the subscription now for the 12 months, in the next year, in this time means in the month of October, again you have to renew the subscription. So must be you are thinking about the like 3 months. So once you will include the fees of 3 month and 12 month individually, it will become around 500. So comparatively, the 24-month subscription will give you some value. That situation again you can apply my code, that is the name I for. Once you will apply this code, you will get minimum 10% discount. You find 27. You get my point. Annual fees will become 20, which is affordable. Any students from any background, they can afford this minimum fees, which you are not going to have in any organization. Either it is, my dear friends, one thing you have to remember. Already, I have told you many times. I am telling you that all the India's top educators, they are as mechanical. Then one of the faculty who is also known as the father of mechanical, Kulkarni sir, is associated with the 8 yes AIR1 Ankit Goel coaching name is Itrix, is also associated with faculty of the ACE Academy, as also associated with Unacademy. So once you will compare, so like in faculty level, you are not going any faculty like whose do not have any experience, whose do not have wonderful result. So all the faculties well experienced back, and they have produced more many like IITians and the students who got selected cases. These are the basically advantages and things about an academy that will ensure you why you have to join the. Now let's come to the, okay, let's deal with the algorithm. So in my today's session, inside the algorithm, we will try to learn the minimum spanning tree. Minimum spanning. My dear friends, before starting the minimum spanning tree, we have to see something individually. Have to see something. The first thing is what is tree. The second thing is what is spanning tree. And the third thing, then we will learn what is minimum. Are you getting my point? So the first thing we are going to learn is the what is the definition of the tree. Second thing, spanning tree, and then we will see what is the definition of minimum. The today's session, we will see all the things. Have a look upon it. So ultimately we are dealing with the graph theory, right? So tree is a part of graph. How you can define the tree? You can define the tree like any graph can be defined by the set of vertices and set of edges. See guys, the graph could be a connected or it could be a disconnected. Already you know that. Graph could be connected or it could be a dis. Okay. Like connected graph, you can assume like this. This is the connected. If you are talking about the disconnected graph, it look like this. Okay. Suppose there are 5 number of vertices in this graph. This is 5. The disconnected graph, and there is 4 and and just count the number of edges. That will indicate the what I am trying to say over here. The graph can be defined by the set of vertices and edges, and the same graph could be a connected or disconnected. Now, how to define the tree? Question is how to define the tree. Let's see the basic definition. Connected graph, connected simple graph, simple graph without cycle. So if you want, you can remove the term simple also. Okay, because what is the definition of simple graph over here? The definition of simple graph is graph G without self loop, self loop and parallel. For example, suppose I am considering this particular graph. Of course, there is a self loop, so it will never be a simple graph. And if we are considering this, so this will never be a simple graph because there is a parallel edges. Parallel edges means different edges are connected with the two same vertices. Are you getting my point? So this is also not a simple graph. If you want to draw a simple graph, then it's a simple graph because there is no parallel edges or self loop. So what I am trying to say over here, of course, this is the cycle. This is the cycle. Okay, because due to the self loop, you are creating a cycle. Again, due to the parallel edges, you are creating a. So what I am trying to say, a connected simple graph without cycle. So either you can use the term simple or you cannot use the term simple. Okay, both the situation the meaning will be same. So is called a connected simple graph without cycle is called. It's what I am trying to say. The graph should be a connected. Now let's see the example. Of course, this is the tree. This is the tree. But if someone will draw the tree like this, draw the tree like this is not a. Why this is not a tree? Because there is a cycle. So I hope the idea about the tree is very much clear. Let's see what is the spanning tree. Spanning. Dear friends, remember one thing. Whenever we are dealing with the any subject, either it is a like algorithm or it is a computer network, POC or any other subject. Always remember one thing, that is the naming convention, because the naming convention plays important role to memorize the concept. So when